How to fix the camera not working on your ASUS laptop. If you're trying to open the camera app on your ASUS laptop and either get an error message or it's simply not working, I'll show you how to fix the problem step by step. First, open the Start menu and search for Settings, then click to open it. On the left-hand side, select Privacy and Security. Scroll down and click on Camera. Make sure that camera access is turned on, and also ensure that Let Apps Access Your Camera is enabled. Then, in the list of applications below, check that the specific app you want to use the camera with is also turned on. Once you've done that, close the Settings window. Next, open the Start menu again and search for Device Manager, then click to open it. Expand the section labeled Cameras by clicking the drop-down arrow. Right-click your camera device from the list and select Uninstall Device. Then confirm by clicking Uninstall. After it's been uninstalled, right-click on Cameras again and select Scan for hardware changes. This will automatically reinstall the camera driver on your computer. Once that's complete, open an app that uses the camera, such as the Camera app, and check if it's now working properly. If the issue still isn't resolved, try pressing the F10 key on your keyboard. This key can be used to lock or unlock your camera. And that's it! Let me know in the comments if this video helped you fix your camera issue. Thanks for watching.